Hello everyone, welcome to 10-minute gentle seated yoga flow. You can do this practice at any time of the day, morning or evening. When you are ready, we're gonna take a big inhalation, raise your arms up, slowly exhale out, hands down. Inhale, raise your right arm up, exhale and bend towards the left side. Now inhale and then exhale, bend towards the right. Again, switch side. The last one, bend towards the right side. Now come back to the center and twist open towards the left side. Right hand on your left knee. Now switch side. Twist from your belly button. Exhale. Now come back to the center and soles of your feet together. Move your knees up and down in butterfly pose. Now slowly bend forward in butterfly pose. Back straight. Feel the stretch in your inner thighs. You don't have to force this. Just feel the stretch sensation in your body. Now slowly come out of the pose and turn your body towards the front. Straighten your right leg. Keep your left leg bent. Take an inhalation and then bend forward, holding onto your right ankle with both of your hands. You can stay here or you can bend even forward and touch your head to your chin if you want. You can rock side to side to really feel your body. Now raise your left arm up, right arm on the ground and twist open towards the left side. A gentle side bend. Feel the stretch on the left side of your body. Now slowly come out of the pose and bend the right leg. Left leg is straight. Inhale, exhale and hold your left ankle with both of your hands. Again inhale, and when you exhale you can bend even forward or you can stay here, rock side to side. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings, in your left hamstrings, calf muscles. Keep your back straight. Now raise your right arm up, left hand on the ground. Twist open towards the right side. Feel the stretch in your right side of your body. Inhale, slowly exhale out. Now come out of the pose. Straighten both of your legs. Place your hands behind your hips and point and flex your toes 10 times. Last one. Now hold your toes. Exhale out and bend forward. You can stay here in half bend position or you can go ahead completely relax your hands and allow the gravity to pull your upper body. Feel the stretch, feel the relaxation. Now slowly come out of the pose, bend the left knee and twist open towards the left side. Left hand goes behind, right hand on the left knee. twist from your belly button. Now slowly untwist your body and repeat the pose on the other side. Bend your right knee, left hand on your right knee, right hand goes behind and twist open towards the right side. Now slowly come out of the pose. Lie down on your back. Bring your heels closer to your glutes and lift your hips as high as you can. Engage your lower back, glute muscles, and also the thighs. This pose will strengthen up your thighs, glutes, along with your lower back. Now slowly bring your hips down. Now place your left knee on the right thigh and interlock your fingers behind your left thigh and pull it closer to your body. Feel the release in your right glutes and hold the pose for a few more seconds. Now release the legs and repeat it with the other side. Now release the legs and bring soles of your feet together. Place your hands on your thighs and push it away from your upper body. And feel the lengthening sensation in your lower back. Now straighten your legs in front and place crown of your head on the mat. Open up your heart towards the sky, bending your upper back. If you find this pose difficult, then you can completely skip this pose and wait for the next one. Now slowly come out of the pose. Bend your knees and bring them closer to your chest. Rock side to side and relax. You can bring your chin to your knees and do the Pavanmuktasana. Now hold the big toes with both of your hands or outside of the feet and push the knees towards the ground. You can rock side to side and enjoy the pose. Now slowly release your legs and come to Shavasana. Hands beside your hips. Relax each and every muscles of your body. Take a big inhalation in and exhale out. Slowly sit down and close your eyes. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, bring your hands to your forehead and then to your chest. Thank you for joining me. See you next time.